friends, this is Mrs. Black. Today you are going to need your Rockstars Count the Room paper, a clipboard, and a pencil. Once you have those items, come on back and press play. Now you are going to find these super awesome Rockstar cards hanging around the room. You will need to count each star on each lettered card. For example, if I find the card with the letter I will need to count how many stars are on that card. Don't forget to use the strategies that you have already learned. For example, I need to use my counting path. So I would start here and count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 stars on the letter I card. Now I go over to my Count the Room sheet. I find the letter I and I write the number 4 in the box. Keep finding those cards until all of your boxes are full. Have fun!